So we're gonna have homegrown kakrol. They've been growing for quite some time now, and it's time to pluck them out. I'll tell you the story behind this plant later on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Come, let's go up. Come. Come. Good girl. Come. Ah. Okay, so it took some time to get Hope up on the terrace, and now also she's eating some newspaper. Yeah, so the story about the kakrol that we are gonna make today. Basically, I have this pet crow. I know it sounds confusing. I know it sounds confusing. He's behind me. If that makes it more believable. He's sitting over there. So basically, we feed him on daily basis. You can say at least once in a day, and this crow keeps coming to my balcony, and we have pots over there. So you know what they do. They poop this shit everywhere. So I think that's how it happened. There was this pot in my balcony in which my Christmas tree was growing up. Suddenly a random plant started growing out of it. I thought it's some, क्या बोलते हैं, जंगली पेड़ कुछ, जंगली पौधा कुछ रहेगा. But after a few days it started having these beautiful flowers, yellow flowers. And from those flowers we got these kakrols. And then I realized it's this crow's business because a friend told me most Northeasterners and Bengali people eat this vegetable. And मेरे घर के सामने ही, like right over there, I don't Hope, come here. So there are Northeasterners staying right in front of my house, and that's my theory. A crow ate something from there, he came and he pooped over here. So we have the vegetable now. Cycle of life. What are you doing? That's not even grass. Oh, there's grass. Eat. I think people have mentally accepted the fact that this is how life is gonna be, because it's the 6th day of the lockdown, and people are free to, at least come out of their houses and go to stores and everything. But even today, I can hardly see any crowd, and that's really surprising. Dogs are gonna be dogs end of the day. What the hell are you digging up? Oh shit, there's a spider. Fuck, no. Fuck. For those of you who don't know, I have this weird phobia of spiders. I do not like spiders. She literally just slipped out of it. So Hope just did an oopsie. She peed on the mat over there. It's not our mat. We have to go down now before someone catches us like this. Holy shit, I cannot catch her. Come Hope, come, let's. Arey, there's one, wait. Arey. Wait. Hope. Got you. What is that on your nose? Bad girl. It smells like cucumber for some reason, and it's really fresh. It's homegrown, no pesticides. I really want to taste this. Once it's done, I want to see how it actually tastes. My first ever homegrown vegetable, and that too indirectly. It's not even mine. I did not do it intentionally. My crow wanted to poop, and he pooped at the right place on the right time. So that's why I get to eat this now. I know this sounds wrong, but understand. I'm going to get curd for Hope now because there's nothing else for lunch. And she finished off all the curd and all the soup that we had made for her. So I'm gonna go get some curd, and when I return, Dad's gonna start cooking the vegetable, and I'm gonna get that on tape. So yes, see you again in some time. दही है क्या? दही दही नहीं है. So there was no curd over there. So oops, but then I called my mom and I asked her if she's getting it, and then she told me that she's getting curd with her. So yeah, we are sorted, and she'll be coming in 5 minutes. That's what she told me. So there's curd for Hope, so no worries. I'm back home. So my mom is here and she has a lot of stuff with her, so I'm going down to help her get the stuff up. I have a puppy in the bag. I don't even like green vegetables, but I'm really excited. I'm really tempted to try this one because you know it's from my own pot, from my whole balcony. तो खुद की खेती है, इसलिए बहुत excitement हो रहा है. I want to try how it's gonna taste like. Even if it's not good, I think I'm gonna enjoy it. So it's time to taste घर की खेती. Let's see how it is.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Give me a minute. Why that reaction? So basically, take a Karela, increase its bitterness by 5 times, cook that and eat that. This tasted like that. You have no idea how bitter my mouth is right now, but I'm still controlling. Shit! So, kakrol review. It's bitter than a Karela with neem ka patta. But if it's that bitter, I think it's good for your health. So, you guys can enjoy it. But I need to eat something sweet to get over this taste. So, that's it for today, guys. It's Ronnie D'Souza signing out from Roncom with a very very bitter taste in my mouth. But it's okay, खुद की खेती है. I'm gonna eat that anyway because it's Ronnie D'Souza signing out from Roncom. Peace.